Now from exercise 3.3, we are going to study question number 4. In this particular question, they have given 19th term is given, which is 52, and 38th term is given, which is 128. They are asking you to find the sum of 56 terms. Here, the question is the combination of two different formulas. So we will check that. Okay, one by one. What is the formula for nth term? Anybody can tell me what is Tn is equal to? What is Tn is equal to? Correct. A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now, wherever n is there, we will go on putting the value of n. Wherever n is there, we will put the value of n as 19. Come on. Therefore, T19 is equal to A plus in the bracket 19 minus 1 into d. Now tell me, what is the value of T19? What is the value of T19 given? It is equal to 52. So I write here 52 is equal to A plus 18d. Call it as 1. We'll call it as 1. Now we will do the same thing for the second part also. Look on the board. T again. T38 is equal to, in place of n we will write 38. A plus 38 minus 1 into d. Therefore, T38 is 128 is equal to A plus 37d. Call it as 2. Now just here what is to be done? Now we will add these two equations 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and equation 2. What we get just here? 52 plus 128 is equal to, 52 plus 128 is equal to A plus 18d, A plus 18d plus A plus 37d. Therefore, what is 128 plus 52? What is 128 plus 52? 180. So we will write here 180 is equal to 2A plus, what is 18 plus 37? Once again check it out. 55D. Okay. That is, therefore, 2A plus 55D is equal to 180. We will call it as 3. We will call it as 3. Now, last part. Is writing this formula difficult? Is substituting the value of n is difficult? So up to here no problem. Same thing we repeated here also. Is addition of equation 1 and 2 difficult? We added equation 1, equation 2 we added, left hand side we added with left hand side, right hand side we added with right hand side. And now, see the math. S50, first of all the formula for Sn. Who will write the formula for Sn? Come on. Sn is equal to, don't look in the textbook and tell. Don't look in the textbook and tell. Who will tell the formula for sum of n terms? Sum of n terms is equal to what? N upon 2 in the bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into d. So close the bracket. Now in place of n what we will write? What we will write in the place of n? 56. Wherever n is there we will write 56. So S56 is equal to 56 upon 2 in the bracket 2A plus 56 minus 1 into d, close the bracket, that is equal to 28 in the bracket 2a plus 55d, that is equal to 28. Can you look on the board and tell me the value for 2a plus 55d? It is there on the board. Value for 2a plus 55d, it is there on the board. What is it? 180. So write the value for 2a plus 55d. Multiply and tell me what is the answer. Come on. 180. You are copying somewhere. You are telling the answers which you have not calculated. You are calculating so fast. Within fraction you can calculate. Then I will ask you some more questions. Don't tell copying is very bad. Don't try to impress your teachers by copying from somewhere. 5,000 40. So the answer is 5,040. Is this the answer? Everyone got the same answer? Did everyone get the same answer? So we will write S56 is equal to 5040 is the final answer. I am not going to check the answer. You have told, I have written it. Is that clear? Okay. So everyone copy this.